How to redeem Under Armour gift card online. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open up any web browser and head over to underarmour.com. On this web page, make sure to log into your account. Once you have been logged in, you want to explore the page and then add the items that you want to purchase in your bag. Once you have added all the items, you want to click on the bag icon, which is at the top right corner of your screen. Then from here, click on the option of View Bag and Checkout. Once you click on the option of Checkout, here you can find all the order summary details. You can check out the estimated price here as well. Now you want to click on the option of Checkout. Once you click on this option, another page is going to open up, and here you will have to fill up your shipping address. So enter your first name, your last name, your address, city, zip code and all the relevant details. Once you have added all the details, you want to click on the option of Continue Payment. Here you want to click on the option of Redeem a UA gift card. Then you want to enter the gift card code and PIN. Once you have entered both the details, your gift card balance will be deducted from your total. You cannot check out using PayPal when using a digital gift card. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.